You don't have to choose between a day at the beach and overnight on board. This 2022 Beneteau Gran Turismo 32 features a spacious full-beam cockpit that provides your choice of lounging in a spacious sun pad or converting to seating for 6 to 8 at a convertible table. It's offered by Dunbar Yachts for $369,000. The joystick-controlled twin 300 horsepower Mercury outboards have only 113 hours on them. They power your perfect water entertainment platform with a ski bar and twin dive platforms aft. You are set for adventure on the water. If you want to enjoy the sun, you access the bow by the secure recessed walkway to enjoy the forward sun loungers with cup holders and armrests. In the evening, you can enjoy the amenities typically seen on much larger boats with a well-appointed air-conditioned salon and a large wraparound table that can convert to a bed. This Beneteau outboard includes a head with separate standing shower and a private full-beam owner's cabin. Let's go in-depth on the features and comfort of Skye, this 2022 Beneteau GT 32 offered by Dunbar Yachts. This massive sun pad allows lounging and enjoying on the water for a group of people, and it converts into a salon table so you can enjoy a meal around that after enjoying time in the sun. It can be open air as it is right now, or it can be fully enclosed with this isinglass to give you comfort from the weather, giving you a multi-season boat. You can recline looking aft. The seat here folds down so you just have open view out to the water. In addition to this extensive seating area, you have the galley outside on the cockpit. You've got the electric grill, the sink. Down below, there's plenty of storage that starts with your refrigerator. It moves to one of the side storage here. You have storage underneath. There's an additional storage under the helm seat where you can stack boxes, and in front under the helm seat, yet a fourth place for storage. So you have plenty of storage for your outdoor entertaining. You've got the refrigerator, so there's plenty of space for that out here. The fit and finish is really well done. You have these very nice handrails. They're very solid. There's plenty of grips going along. You have speakers throughout. You've got 8 speakers where you can really enjoy the water and enjoy getting your tunes on out there. The sun pad also hides some additional storage. There's storage for life jackets that's underneath one of the seats that lifts up, and the whole table will lift, and underneath there's the lazarette that has additional storage, plenty of space for additional gear, as well as a life raft on board this vessel. The Helm provides all the control and electronics you need for safety and adventure, including the premium electronics pack that includes a 16-inch Garmin display, radar, and Garmin AIS VHF radio. With Lenco trim tabs and a bow thruster, joystick, and twin throttles, the GT32 is easy to maneuver and stable on longer journeys. Check out Dunbar Yachts for all the details on this 2022 Beneteau GT32. And you can find your dream boat from our selection of new and brokerage boats. The covered cockpit is the full beam of the boat, so getting to the bow access, there's the opening through the forward windshield, recessed walkway out to this wonderful seating area, great seating up on the bow. It's relaxing, it's got the cup holders, it's got plenty of space to enjoy the bow of the boat, just a great lounging space. So you have all this extensive outdoor space in the aft, up in the bow, for really great outdoor, comfortable entertainment. You've got your cooking, your galley. This is a great outdoor boat, and if that's all you had, you'd say this is a wonderful boat. But there is so much more because you have the opportunity for the overnights on board the enclosed cabin, air conditioned. So let's go below and check out the interior in the Salon. The boat's air conditioned on the inside. You've got this large seating area, plenty of headroom. There's storage all along the starboard side, as well as behind the couches. Storage all the way around, then more storage, the microwave, and a refrigerator. The Salon converts to a very spacious sleeping area. Lots of space on here to spread out. On the starboard, the head, which has a full head, lots of storage, and a separate shower. So there's plenty of storage above the sink and below the sink, separate toilet. The final piece for your overnight trip is the master cabin. So the cabin has some good light, and when you get down, there's actually plenty of space, plenty of headroom, and plenty of space to get underneath here. There's storage along the entryway, 2 storage lockers, and there's plenty of headroom when you need to stand up. Check out our site to find your dream boat from our selection of new and brokerage boats.